it to the mall. We are vlogging today, so it's gonna be an interesting day with this one right here.
Yay!
We are gonna be going around the mall. He's gonna be picking things out for me, doing all the fun things. We're gonna grab lunch first because I'm so hungry. We're going to our favorite Mexican restaurant and we're getting tacos and all the yummy salsa and chips and guacamole.
Yeah.
I can't wait. It's gonna be so good. So come along with us.
What's that?
Got your coffee?
Hey, it's Brazilian coffee.
Brazilian coffee.
Brazilian owners. You got a whole bunch of Brazilian
You're so tall.
food.
I can't like vlog because you're so tall. Oh my
I gotta
goodness.
drink this.
Okay, he's got to get the energy. There's like no one here. It's dead at the mall, so that's good. This drink is so good. If you guys ever come to Moctezuma's or have one, it's the white peach sangria. 10/10 recommend. So bomb. I feel like we're on vacation right now.
Yeah.
It's like we're living the life.
Chips, you got the salsa, you got the drinks.
There it is. She's a beauty. We're gonna go in, check it out, see what they have. So come with us.
You know, most people are like, don't send me.
Yeah.
So we are the physical store to Amazon.com.
Yeah.
So everything in the stores has been rated by myself and you who shop on Amazon.com as 4- and 5-star products. So these are all the latest trending items from Amazon.com. With that being said, they will always be changing according to the reviews. Yeah, now if you're a Prime member, you will notice a difference in the price tag.
Right.
Non-Prime members all white. Prime members, you'll notice the red along the bottom of it. You will get an additional discount for being a Prime member.
Okay.
You get the same discounts in here that you would normally get on Amazon.com.
Awesome.
Waiting for this, yeah. It's been up on my mind. Oh, it's hard to resist. Feeling like one of a kind. Oh, now the hard time's over. I'm for a moment. I won't look back now. Yeah, and it's moving closer. I can feel it coming. Oh, now it's my time now.
Want to see what we bought?
Woo! We're old. We're old.
This is exciting for adults right here. This is a 2-in-1 sink strainer. You twist it, it closes, it's everything. 10 bucks. We're going to Benbridge to get me a new ring.
Hey.
Right, babe?
Say what?
All right, we are sitting down because my feet hurt, but we're about to go to Sephora and James is gonna pick out items for me and it's gonna be really cute. We'll see what he gets.
Sephora Husband Challenge.
He's gonna pick 4 items at Sephora on his own and we're gonna try them out when I get home.
Hey, is this what girls do? Maybe.
He hates us so much right now. What you gonna get, babe?
I'm lost. I like the feisty one. That's you. Oh, do we need super glue for this? I love that color. Oh, baby one right here.
Oh, baby? This is why men are not allowed in Sephora.
By Marc Jacobs. It blends in so well with the lipstick.
So your color. Do you know how to color match?
What does that mean?
Never seen more of a dad dance move in my life.
What is this supposed to do? Like, I have no idea. This is how much you spent on this? A tiny ass bottle.
A girl never tells.
What? For 4 things?
Okay, we made it back home. We did a little shopping, so I thought I would show you what we got. I mean, as in me, Kelsey. James did not get anything per usual. But I did stop at Forever 21 because I wanted to find some pieces. We are going to Lake Chelan, which is like our family summer trip we always take every year. Well, at least we try to. I needed shorts because I don't own any. And I thought these were really cute. They reminded me of like Abercrombie or something like that. They were a great price. I got them for $19.99. I didn't know how their sizing ran. They looked really small to me, so I just sized up. And I think they're cute. So I'm going to try them on, see how I like them. And then I got this little bralette. As you see right here, it's not really a bralette. I guess people would wear this as a tank top, but I wouldn't. I like the lace detail. I think that would look really cute under a t-shirt. And this was $10, I believe. I got the medium large. It's really stretchy, super soft, good fabric. And then I did get a olive green t-shirt to go with it. I thought that would look really cute paired with this, and then just have it like peeking out with a little bit of lace, as you guys can see. I don't know. I'll try it all on and see how I like it. And then I got this really fun tie-dye long sleeve. I don't know why I got a long sleeve. I'm literally going to 95 degrees weather, but I loved it. I thought it was so cute. Even if I don't wear it on the trip, I just think it's really cute in general. It says Higher Than Heaven. It is a long sleeve. I believe the price was $17.99. Yeah, $17.99. Again, really soft. I like the way it felt, and the tie-dye colors are just so fun and pretty. And then I got some biker shorts. These are really stretchy, super comfy. I can't wait to wear these. I'm going to be wearing these probably like all week because they just feel so nice and stretchy and soft. Perfect for vacation wear. I just wanted to be comfy and cozy. These were $7.99, so again, really inexpensive. Thought the print on them was really pretty, just super simple. It's like spotted. So I'm going to pair this probably with like a white t-shirt. Maybe even that olive t-shirt would work. I don't know. We'll have to try it all on. I can't not stop in their jewelry section because they're so inexpensive. I'm really into these paper chain necklaces right now. So I got these two. This one is obviously a chunkier paper clip chain. Love it. It is gold and it has a little coin here at the bottom. I think this was $6, so it's just a great piece to layer with. And you can't beat the price. They do tarnish pretty quickly, but I mean, they're so inexpensive that I feel like it's worth it, especially when you're going on trips or doing, you know, little adventures here and there. I think it's good to buy their jewelry because you don't have to worry if it gets lost or broken or damaged. I think it's just perfect for traveling with. And then I got this one. It is a thinner paper clip chain, and then it has a cross. So it's a layering necklace. I thought it was really cute. And I also went to H&M, and they had a lot of their summer stuff on clearance. So I just got one dress because I thought this was really cute. I loved the color. It's just a floral, very flowy, super soft material dress that I can throw on after I'm like swimming at the pool or whatnot. And I got it for $10, which I thought was a good deal. It was originally $17.99. I got it in a size small because it is pretty baggy and flowy. So I thought that would look really cute paired with some flip-flops. Here is the print up close. It's just a bunch of florals and the color is really pretty. And then of course I had to look at their jewelry too because a lot of it was on clearance. So I got these earrings right here. So this set of earrings was $3 and I like it because it has fake cartilage and you can just clip them around your ears. They're really easy to put on and I think it just adds a little something something to your ear. I have so many ear piercings now. I need to get them changed out into cute jewelry now because I've had them for quite some time. But in the meantime, before I get them changed out, I thought this would be good to have and take on my trip. I really like these little gold hoops that say love at the bottom. So I got those. And then I also got this pair, which I really love. I think this style is really cool. I don't even know what you call it, but I just think it's really pretty, sparkles in the light. So here's the matching necklace I got with them. I thought it was really cute. It is a layered necklace, of course, in gold. What's new? I can't do anything other than gold jewelry. I just love it. And then the earrings will look really cute. Super simple, really casual. Again, this necklace was $3, so great price. And that is everything I got from those two stores. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a really casual, super simple vlog. I will be posting a vacation vlog next week, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely subscribe if you aren't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more content. I will talk to you guys very soon. Thanks. Bye.